Apple earnings and peace hopes push the S&P to fresh record highs.
Welcome. This is Daily Market in 3 minutes. Let's dive in Wall Street.
The S&P 500 closed at a record 7,230, up 0.3%. The Nasdaq hit a record 25,114, gaining nearly 1%.
The Dow dropped 0.3%, finishing just under 49,500. Magnificent 7 performance was a mixed bag today. Apple surged 3%, Tesla climbed 2%, and Amazon added 1%.
Alphabet traded relatively flat. Conversely, Meta and Microsoft slumped as investors balked at massive artificial intelligence spending, and Nvidia slipped nearly 1%. Communication services, industrials, and utilities were the winning sectors today, each posting solid gains of nearly 3 to 4%. The technology sector actually lost ground, falling nearly 1% on the day. Bitcoin rose almost 3% to $78,000.
Gold traded flat near $4,600 an ounce. Silver climbed 2% to $75. West Texas Intermediate crude plunged 3% to close near $102 a barrel. Apple delivered massive news today. The giant revealed a $100 billion share buyback and increased its dividend by 4%. Wall Street cheered its strong forward guidance and recovering sales in China.
This earnings beat single-handedly powered the S&P and Nasdaq to their record closing highs.
Geopolitics also drove massive market action.
Reports emerged that Tehran delivered a new peace proposal to Washington aimed at ending the ongoing war. This diplomatic thaw caused West Texas Intermediate crude to plunge from $126 down to $102. Easing energy prices fueled a relief rally and capped safe haven assets like gold.
Conversely, Meta and Microsoft faced intense selling pressure after announcing plans to significantly increase artificial intelligence infrastructure spending.
These massive price tags sparked fears of compressed operating margins, directly causing the broader technology sector to finish as today's main losing sector. The 10-year Treasury yield held steady at 4.4%, while the 10 to 2-year curve is, missing data, 10 to 2-year curve. The US dollar index hovered near 98. The VIX volatility index dropped to 17. A stabilizing dollar and falling fear gauge suggest investors are looking past recent inflation panics. The CNN Fear and Greed Index reached 67, remaining firmly in the greed zone. This indicates deep optimism fueled by mega-cap earnings resilience and peace hopes.
The market outlook is currently trapped in a geopolitical limbo.
Major indexes are relying heavily on stretched technology valuations, meaning global assets require either a definitive Middle East peace agreement or perfect labor data to sustain momentum.
Next week, we are watching the Reserve Bank of Australia rate decision and the ISM Services Index on Tuesday. Friday brings the highly anticipated April non-farm payrolls report. As always, this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.